I'm back! Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another cling film squishy tutorial so I can share all the ideas that I have with you to inspire you to make one of your own. So what you're going to need to do is get some cling film, some pillow stuffing, and wrap that pillow stuffing with your cling film. You're going to want to make a rounded edge towards the top, just tape it as you go to keep it all down into place, and then kind of do the same on the other end as well. So the other end is going to act as our cone, so what we're going to need to do here once we have it all rounded off is actually just fold it in on itself, creating almost a point at the end, as this is just going to be our cone. We just need the basic ice cream shape to begin with, and then we can get to painting. As I say in all of my videos, the paint that I use is acrylic paint mixed with a fabric medium, and that's exactly what I did here for the ice creams. So I painted the top of the ice cream in a pink shade because I felt like I need more pink squishies in my life recently. I am lacking with the pink ones. I then took this light brown shade, coloured in the cone, and then mixed up a slightly lighter pink and added a little bit of texture along the bottom of the ice cream, as I felt like that's what kind of spreads out when you put an ice cream scoop into a cone, doesn't it? It almost like pushes out of it. I then made a slightly more golden darker shade of the beige colour that I painted the cones on with, and just created a diagonal crisscross pattern to imitate the waffle cone texture. I then painted on a face by adding two whites of the eyes, some pupils, and a little mouth between the two. Once I then left that fully dry, I then went back in with my cling film, covered the whole thing in another layer just to protect the paint so that it doesn't flake off or anything whilst it's being squished. And then to add airflow back through, I then just took a needle and added loads of little stab holes all around it so that the air can just move in and out as it gets squished. Okay, real-time review now. Annoyingly, I've created a few creases here in the cling film when I pulled the final layer over. Can I be bothered to take it off though? No, because I know after squishing this it's going to crinkle a little bit anyway, and I'm hoping it's going to fall right back into place. So first squish on camera. It's pretty good. I feel like it's kind of giving like candy floss, cotton candy, when it was supposed to be an ice cream. Does it look like an ice cream? Or does it look like cotton candy? Or does it look like a mix of the both? I can take a mix of the both, I suppose. That would be very cute, wouldn't it? Let's pretend it's like a candy floss ice cream, a 2-in-1, and regardless, it is still very cute. So yeah, that's how I made this one today. What is that now? Number 5 in a row from my cling film squishy week. Just giving you all the ideas and different designs so you can actually give this a go. Definitely try this one out. I really like it. I think it's super cute. And with all that being said, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I shall see you again tomorrow for day 6 of my cling film squishy week. Bye.